Hello friends, my name is Akash and you are watching the Unbox Expert YouTube channel. Today we have brought for you a very special product unboxing video which is for the Marshall Action 3 Bluetooth speakers. In this video, we will find out what accessories the company has provided along with the product in the box and also what special features this product has that make it so famous and luxurious. So before we proceed further with this video, we want to tell you something important. Just like in our other videos where we not only unbox the product but also do a giveaway, in the same way, this product will also be given away in this video. So to know all the details and rules of the giveaway, please watch this video till the end. So let's move ahead with this video and unbox this product. Let's unbox this product and see what's special about it. At the very top, you'll find the speakers. Let's take them out and set them aside for now and see what other accessories are included. Along with the speakers, you'll also find the carefully packaged power cord in the box, as well as some detailed user manuals which you may find helpful. These are provided to make it easier for you to use the product for the first time. On the top, you will see some buttons in a gold design, such as the power on off button on the right side. Along with that, there are buttons to skip tracks forward or backward and to pause or play. In the center, you will find buttons to control the volume, bass and treble. Additionally, there's a button to change the source, so whether you want to use the speaker on Bluetooth or aux, you can switch it from here. Along with that, you'll get a 3.5 mm jack, and if we talk about the back side, you'll see the power cord port. The speakers we have in our studio come with a 30 watt output. If we talk about connectivity, you'll also get support for Bluetooth version 5 along with it. If we talk about ease of setup, just like you get easy to use buttons on the top, you also get a Marshall Bluetooth operator app through which you can easily control everything from the equalizer to the bass. I want to tell you all about the giveaway rules. As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, we will be doing a giveaway of this product. The rules for this giveaway are as follows. As soon as the video reaches 500,000 views, 100,000 likes and 10,000 comments, we will randomly select the best comment and announce the winner of the product.